Hello. Today we're going to learn all of the major and minor piano chords in just 10 minutes. And this is a really important class, I know, for so many of you, because you probably find that you disproportionately know a bunch of chords, and there's a whole bunch of triads and major and minor keys and chords that you just aren't aware of or you're not using enough. So I hope today we fix this once and for all. Let's get started. And by the way, you should visit our website contemporaryschoolofpiano.com to get the free resources kit that accompanies this video, because that's going to be a very useful practice resource. Okay, our 10 minutes starts now. So how do we get through all of our triads in one practice session, and how do we understand all of our triads without having to go through all of the scales at the same time? Well, the first thing we do is we start in a place that's simple. So let's start with the white keys, because that's very easy to understand. We're going to start by playing the 7 triads of a C major scale. And we get the following chords: C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, B diminished, and C major. Okay, let's focus on the major chords that we just played. They're the chords that naturally occur when we just play all of the white keys like that. So, for instance, the C, the F, and the G, they're all major chords. So we can immediately know they're major. And chords 2, D minor, E minor, and A minor, the D, E, and A, they are minor chords, so we can immediately know they're minor. So let's now reverse those chords. Let's turn the C, F, and G major into minor chords. So we've got C major, and to make it minor, we make it smaller by a half note in the middle. And there we go, we have C minor. So we've got C major to C minor, F major to F minor, G major to G minor. So now let me play C minor, F minor, G minor, C minor, C major, F major, G major, C major. Now it's the opposite for the minor chords. We're going to make them bigger. The middle note will go up a half note and it turns into a major. So we have D minor, D major, E minor, E major, A minor, A major. So we have D major, E major, A major, just like we have D minor, E minor, and A minor. D major, E major, A major. So let's review all of that. We have C major, and then C minor. We have D major, then we have D minor. We have E major, then we have E minor. We have F major, then F minor. G major, G minor. A major, and then A minor. Let's now look at the black keys. We're going to call them flats right now for the purpose of this exercise. So this is a D flat, E flat, G flat, A flat, and a B flat. Yes, sometimes we can call a D flat a C sharp, or we can call an A flat a G sharp, or a G flat an F sharp. But the most important thing we need to think about is the hand shape of the chord, because playing the piano is a physical exercise. So we're trying to learn the chords by shape as much as we can. I'm going to call them flats for the time being. So a D flat major chord has a beautiful, elegant shape. And so many people avoid these beautiful, beautiful chords on the piano, but they're actually physically not that hard to play. So don't be scared of these chords. Learn them now. That's why I'm doing this video. I think it's so important you learn all these chords on the piano. So a D flat major chord, very elegant shape. You have the D flat and the A flat, and in the middle of the chord you have the F. And that's a D flat major chord. Now we're going to keep that exact shape and put it on an E flat. We have E flat, G, and B flat. So that's an E flat major chord. Let's practice those two chords together. D flat major, E flat major. I can put some bass in the left hand. D flat major, E flat major, and also A flat major has exactly the same shape as well. A flat, C, and E flat. So let's play those three chords. D flat, E flat, and A flat major. Now G flat major has a different shape. G flat major is all black keys, so it's a unique major key shape. It's like an X-ray of C major. That's a good way to remember it. And that's your G flat major. Also could be called an F sharp major. And also two other chords that have a unique shape, and because they have unique shapes, students often mix them up. So it's really good to clarify them now, is B flat major. B flat major has one flat, B flat, D, and F. That's its shape. And B major also has a different shape. It has a B and then a D sharp and an F sharp. So B flat major, the shape is one black key and two white keys, and B major is one white key and two black keys. A good way to practice those two is to think of Bohemian Rhapsody by Queen. You see I'm playing B major, B flat major, A major, B flat major. That's a little section out of that song. A nice little reference perhaps. So now we've got these beautiful chords on the flats. We can turn them into minor chords as well. We turn them into minor chords by, again, reducing the middle note down a semitone or a half note, and we have minor. Usually this is called C sharp minor. We've got D flat major, C sharp minor, E flat major, E flat minor, F sharp major, F sharp minor, A flat major, A flat minor, B flat major, B flat minor, B major, B minor. There you go. We have now practiced all of our triads in major and minor keys. But the key to playing chord progressions effectively is putting them all together and turning it into a musical narrative. So I've created two wonderful exercises that will help you do that, and you can get them from our website, contemporaryschoolofpiano.com. These exercises are called chord mixture exercises. They're essentially in C major, but they borrow lots of chords from other places, so you can dance around the piano. Let's play these exercises together right now. C major, F major, F minor, C major, C major, E major, A minor, F major, C major, D major, F major, C major, C major, G minor, F major, C major, C minor, F minor, G major, C minor. Do that one again. C minor, F minor, G major, C minor, C major, B flat major, F major, C major, C major, E flat major, F major, C major, C major, A flat major, B flat major, C major, pure power of ballad stuff that is, and then C major, D flat major, E flat major, C major, C major, G minor, E flat major, B flat major, C minor, F minor, B flat major, E flat major. So practicing these progressions in mixtures adds narrative to your chord playing. And you want to play chords like you're telling a musical story. That's exactly what chord progressions are. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick class, and get over to our website, contemporaryschoolofpiano.com, to get these lead sheets so you can get practicing your 12 chords in both major and minor keys straight away. I look forward to seeing you soon.